everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the eyepiece reticle using the stage micrometer. Okay, these are the tools. You can see the stage micrometer, eyepiece reticles, and also the eyepiece lens. An eyepiece reticle and stage micrometer are used to measure the size of the object when viewed under a microscope. Each microscope can vary slightly, so needs to be calibrated when used. Stage micrometer is a slide with a very accurate scale in micrometers. The eyepiece reticle is a disc placed in the eyepiece lens, and this has no scale. To place the eyepiece reticle inside, you need to remove the eyepiece lens and then carefully put it under the lens. Now we can see the reticle's numbers on eyepiece lens. Okay, now turn on the microscopes and then put the stage micrometer on microscope stage. Now looking through the eyepiece lens, the first that you will see is the eyepiece reticle. This is the eyepiece reticle looks like. You need to start from the smallest magnifications and then try to adjust the focus on your microscopes to find the stage micrometer. You can change the magnifications lens that you want to calibrate. For this time, I will use 40 times objective lens. You need to adjust again the focus until you can see the line of stage micrometer underneath the line of eyepiece reticle. You can move it up and down, right and left. The smaller scale with the number is eyepiece reticle. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to align those two scales together. Now take a look from this picture. We need to find two lines that aligns together from both stage micrometer and eyepiece reticle. The first is 0 from eyepiece reticle is aligned with the first line of stage micrometer. And then look at number 20 of eyepiece reticle. It is aligned with the fifth line of stage micrometer. Now we need to count the unit or divisions in these overlapping regions in the stage micrometer and eyepiece reticle. We can say 5 divisions of stage micrometers equals with 20 units of eyepiece reticle, meaning that 1 unit of eyepiece reticles equals with 0.25 divisions of stage micrometer. Again, please be remembered that it is stage micrometer that has the actual measurement scale on it. Stage micrometer has 100 divisions, so for the total hole length is 1 millimeter, meaning each divisions of stage micrometer equals 0.01 millimeters or 10 micrometers. This is the exact number that won't change even though you change your magnifications. And also please be remembered that millimeter is not a preferred unit to work with microscopic level, so you need to convert the unit become micrometer. So if you're using the 40 times objective lens or the total magnifications 400 times, and since 1 unit of eyepiece reticle equals to 0.25 divisions of stage micrometer, and also we know that 1 division of stage micrometer is 10 micrometers, so we can conclude that 1 unit of eyepiece reticle equals to 2.5 micrometer. Now I can remove the stage micrometer and then change it with the specimen slide. Here are some xylems from the die-cut stems, and I'm going to measure the real scale of 1 xylem. First, I need to align the xylem with the scale on eyepiece reticle, and then I need to count the unit. We can see here that the diameter of the xylem is about 20 units of eyepiece reticle. Each unit of eyepiece reticle is 2.5 micrometers, making the diameter of the xylem is 5 micrometer. So once you align the eyepiece reticle with the stage micrometer, you are good to go on the magnifications for anything that you want to observe. However, if you want to change the magnifications, what you see in the eyepiece reticle will be completely different. So you need to calibrate again your eyepiece reticle with the stage micrometer for each magnification. For example, I will try to change the magnifications. I will use 10 times objective lens. After I align both of the lines from stage micrometer and also eyepiece reticle, so here it is. We can see number 0 from eyepiece reticle is aligned with the first line of stage micrometer. And then to make it easier to count, we can see number 10 from eyepiece reticle is aligned with the 10 line from stage micrometer. Thus, we know that 1 unit of eyepiece reticle equals to 1 division of stage micrometer. And since we know already that 1 division of stage micrometer is 10 micrometer, then we can conclude that each unit of eyepiece reticle is 10 micrometer. Now we can remove the stage micrometer and then change it with the specimen slide. Just the same with the previous one. I want to measure the diameter of the xylem, but this one I will use 10 times objective lens or 100 times magnification. Take a look one xylem cell near to number 20. The length of the diameter of the xylem is 5 units of eyepiece reticle. Since 1 unit of eyepiece reticle is 10 micrometer, then we can conclude that the diameter of the xylem is 50 micrometer, with using 10 times objective lens or 100 times magnification. This is the end of my video. I hope it is very useful for you. Thank you.